I suppose using Irish language here in the Clayton is very important to us. Galway is the only bilingual city in Ireland, and I suppose as a business we feel we have a social responsibility. We host many conferences and meetings here in the hotel, and many of those people attending the meetings are from the Gaeltacht area, and they get such a kick out of seeing us making an effort with the Irish language. So we decided to tailor-make a wedding package to suit couples. Crack agus ceol. There's Irish music on arrival, or menus are as Gaeilge, or signage are as Gaeilge, and we encourage them to use as Gaeilge in their themes. And it's just from a commercial point of view, it's gone down so well. It's a great talking point, for the staff. The guests will ask questions, what does this mean? And it just gives us a real sense of pride as to where we're from.